Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and it's Sophie. And today, I'm gonna be cleaning out my car with me because we got some random stuff in here. So this car I share with my mom, my dad, like everyone. You know, it's like a car for everyone, but yet like I'm the one that has to clean out or whatever. Which I honestly do not mind cleaning out this car. This car is like, it's a blessing to even have a car. So, yeah. So, we just gotta, like, find where all this stuff goes. I'm just gonna put these in my glove compartment. And then this hat, I'm gonna take it inside. Like, all this random stuff is just gonna, like, go in my car. Like, I'm gonna put this side. This can go back here. I have no idea what most of this is from or what. Ooh, this is a nice glove. Whose is this? Oh, it's from Walmart too. Nice glove. Anyways, like, all this stuff is, like, not even mine, but it's okay. We're just, like, gonna put everything in here. Found one batting glove in here. So weird. Okay, this is gonna be my trash bag. So we're gonna put this water bottle in here. I'm gonna put this seat. My ring. My ring just fell in there. Oh my god. Thank God I felt it, because who knows? So I'm gonna put all these tools and stuff, because my dad, like, as you can see, this is not, like, covered or whatever. Oh, the sun is in my eye. Because I have my camera. Where's that? My camera? This is my camera. Over here or right here. Somewhere. One of these are my cameras. Because I had to like put in my own camera. So yeah. So I'm gonna put all these tools and stuff back here. And yeah, just pray that'll keep my car clean. And then we'll put this umbrella back here. And then I'm gonna put this boy. So now I have to put this backpack in my sister's bag because I'm taking her to practice. So yeah. Easy. Okay guys, so now we're moving to the front of the car. And then guys, we're also gonna take my car to a car wash soon. So we're just gonna, I don't know what this is for. Okay. So this car seat, I'm gonna take it out real quick. Cause like I said guys, I have siblings. Like I take everyone to school for the most part. Okay. I'm put. This is my school bag. I'm also gonna like make a, what is it called? Like, I'm putting all this, like these clothes and stuff. Cause like, I say I'm gonna wear these clothes and I don't wear them after practice. I just wear the clothes that I wore to practice. Or like wore to school for practice. And yeah. These clothes are like clean. Zip this up. Put this in the front. I don't know if this is for, so I'm just gonna throw it. If they wanted it, they would have taken it down. Look. Flat ball. Let's see, what is this? My dad's sprouts. I don't think we need that. I really have no idea. Okay. This is gonna go up in the front. These sandals, I don't know who they are. We're just gonna put the ball in the back because like the kids use it whenever they go places, and we have an air pump back there. I don't know whose shoes these are, so we're just gonna take them down. So take this inside. Ow, I just hit my head. Oh, actually, let's go on the other side. We're gonna take this down, but then also go on the other side. Okay. So, anyways, on this side, I gotta pull up my seats. I like to pull up the seats all the way. My car also isn't that big, so I have to really get in there. Okay, the sun. See, I have a sock in here. I have my license plate thing. More socks. I should probably like. I have all these rubber bands, but do I use them? No. We're gonna put this in the back of the ball. So later on, guys, I'm gonna go take my car for a car wash and like clean it out and all. But right now, just taking it like things that don't need to be in here. Put them up. Like this sunscreen, you can put this. Okay. So this new socks can go inside, but we'll put this inside when I get everything inside. Okay. So now we're gonna clean out the front. So like I'm actually kind of surprised on how much guys, it feels so good outside. I kind of forgot about this. For some reason, this charger does not work. So, I want to make an emergency kit or like a period kit or anything, like some kit to put in my car in case of an emergency or anything, honestly, though, because I look-y every time I need something, I don't have anything, so it's like very like annoying to not have anything in this car all the time. So y'all are also gonna make that with me. We're gonna make a period kit, but not right now. Obviously, we're gonna clean the car first and then do that. Just because I feel like it's smart. And my car is like a mess. So I mean, it would be perfect. Okay, I found this rosary in my car. So we're just gonna add it to this. I don't know how to do that. How do... I have no idea. Oh, wait. I messed up. Oh, well. I'm just not gonna put that there. I don't know if that can go there. And then we're gonna put my hair tie there. Oh, I have more chains in here. This is gonna be my chain purse instead of like having your chains on the side, because like honestly, having chains on the side is actually really, it sucks, because like you always hear it and it's kind of annoying. So I'm just gonna like have my change right here. So yeah. Okay. I just found this like thing. I found some medicines. So, the amount of change I found, honestly, is kind of crazy. I don't like to save change, but recently I've been finding a lot of change. I've just been saving it, which I mean is always good because you always need change. So I'm cleaning everything out. I also need to find my insurance card, by the way, because I don't know where it's at. But I'm going to move it over here so I can actually see what I'm doing. You know what I mean? Okay. So we have these gloves. I'm gonna give you a tour of what we have and everything. This, I'm just gonna leave it up here. These CDs and stuff, we're just gonna leave them here because I don't use them. Okay. And these chargers, we don't ever use them, but we always need them, so we always just keep them in here for like just in case moments. You never know. You never know. So we're gonna leave all that in there. So I always need a Dodge bag because you never know when there's gonna be like trash in your car, or you know. So we always keep one in here, no matter what. So this is gonna go up here too because that's my mom's. And honestly, don't know who this is. Probably one of my siblings. So we're gonna save it because it looks pretty new. We're just gonna save it. We're gonna put that up there too because that's my mom's. So recently I've been obsessed with the spray and lotion. So we're gonna keep it in the car. But I'm actually gonna go buy a small one, a small set, because the big set don't need that in here. And then I always need like chapstick or lip gloss and stuff. So I'm gonna put that over here on this side, because I always need it. And then we're gonna go make a little period bag because we need like stuff for my. So yeah, let me just make sure it's up under here. Okay, so that's really it. That's basically all. So now I'm just gonna go put all this stuff up. I'm gonna put the car seat in here because I take my brother to daycare most of the time or whatever. So what the heck is that? Let me. So what's this right here? So I'm gonna put this little thing here. I don't know if this pen is good. Let's try it. It's kind of stuck. Okay. It is not good. So, anyways, let's go make a little emergency kit so we can put it in the car, and yeah. And I think that's all. And then I just have to clean the car. Wait, is this a good pen? I don't think so. Wait, actually, maybe. I don't know what this is for, but we're just gonna toss it. Actually, this is a good pen. Yeah, this is a good pen. We're gonna leave this in the car because we always need a pen. So, yes. Basically, that's it. Yeah, we're just gonna go put everything up, and I'll see y'all in a bit. I'm actually gonna show y'all what I'm gonna put in the kit and everything, but when we come back in the car. Okay, so basically, sorry guys, it's kind of fun here. So I got everything I need in here. So basically, I got everything in here. So we got this cute black little bag. So it first has pads, and then and then it had what? It is open. You pull it up. What do you need? Pull. Be careful. There you go. Let go. Okay, then we have this Touchland hand sanitizer. I know that there's nothing in it anymore, but then we got the Jerry. This is my favorite lotion.
Can I close it?
I'll close it.
Okay.
And then we got some contact eye drops because I wear my contacts a lot. And then we have this strawberry pound cake hand sanitizer. And then we have this lip gloss because this lip gloss is my favorite. But I don't use a lot. Then we have this strawberry cheesecake perfume. And then last but not least, we have deodorant. Because we always need deodorant. Like, deodorant is a must in my car. Because I feel like I always need it. So now we're going to put this in the glove compartment. And then this, I'm just going to put in my backpack because it's my favorite. And then we got my glasses for these, like the shades. So I'm going to put them on top. There you go. And that's it. So that's all. Oh shoot, forgot to put the bag in there. So now we're ready for emergency, just in case or whatever, for a period emergency specifically, or just in general. So I have this sunscreen, but I want to try getting some bug spray too in here, because bug spray when we're out is a must too. So yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye guys.